Now, this is a type of question a lot of folk miss out the first step, and that's just to make sure that you have both sides at the same unit, okay? So either have them in meters or centimetres. Now, what you also want to think about is the fact that the formula for this is in the front sheet, okay? So it's in the formula sheet after the first page, okay? So what you'll find is when you use it, you'll find the gradient is vertical over the horizontal, and I'm going to, that's 25 centimetres, and I'm going to turn this into 450 centimetres, okay? So there's 100 centimetres per metre. So we have an equation like this. Now obviously you're going to want to have to simplify this, okay? Now if you've got two numbers, one ends with a 5, the other ends with a 0, then it's going to appear in the 5 times table. So let's divide 25 by 5. That gives you 5. Let's divide 450 by 5. So there's no harm in just doing your sum there. So that's 5 into 4 0 times. There's 45. 5 into, that's 9. And that's 0. Okay, so that's now 5 over 90. And again, we can simplify this as well, because we want to simplify it so it's 1 over a number, so we can then compare to see if it's going to be within the safety regulations. And again, what you'll do is think about how many 5s so go into 90. So during an exam, you might just want to do this method so you're not going to make as many mistakes as opposed to trying to do it in your head. So how many 5s go into 9? That's 1, carry the 4. How many 5s go into 40? That's 18. Okay, so that's going to be 1 over 18. Now, if you're comparing two fractions and one of the fraction's denominator is bigger than the other fraction, that means it's smaller, okay? So don't think because that's an 18 that's a bigger number than that. That's not the case, okay? So we've worked out it's 1 over 18, and they said that the maximum gradient for the ramp of horizontal distance of 4.5 metres is 1/16, okay? Well, it is safe, so we'll say yes, and you have to justify it, and we can say, well, it's since 1 over 18 is less than 1 over 16. Or you could say 1 over 16 is greater than 1